What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Bitcoin setting up for a beautiful trap exactly right here. Exactly like it did right here previously back on 16th of March just last month. Now the same thing once again could be happening. I want to show you exactly why it's setting up for this trap and potentially a push back down into this range, even targeting these ranges down here. I'm going to talk about that in today's video along with many other things. So if you're holding Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, pay attention to today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to every one of you watching my videos. Leave a like on today's video, drop a comment down below. It's going to enter you to win $100 every single Monday. So go ahead and do that right now. And of course, guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's take a look exactly what is going on right now, because crypto has been pretty interesting, but also pretty boring over the past few days. We have had a push back up to this range right here, this beautiful range right here, which once again, back last month, March 16th, we did in fact get rejected from, and the same thing could potentially be happening again. So what is happening? We have in fact seen a push to the upside. Bitcoin has pushed up to around $76,000. We've reached this level of resistance right now, and just exactly like we did here, we are seeing a little bit of sideways action. Although here we are seeing a little bit more sideways action, and most likely, in my opinion, we are going to get rejected from this range. Here is why. If we take a look at the liquidation heat map right here, everyone knows it, everyone uses it, and it's a great chart to use. We can see exactly right here at $76,134. There's around 83 million worth of liquidity right there, waiting to be snapped up, and then the price can push lower. So in my opinion, what I personally think is going to happen, of course, no financial advice, I think we may wick up to 76, maybe even 77, who knows. It will liquidate this range right here, and then we will fall back down into the 75K or below range, in my opinion. I think this liquidity here, nearly 100 million each day, it's growing, by the way, as well. Yesterday or a couple of days ago, it was around 72 million. Now it's 83 million. So it is growing very, very fast. And these exchanges, the market makers, they want to grab this liquidity. It's so juicy and they want to take it so bad that they will take it, guys. It's almost no question. They'll take it, and then the price will dump back down below to the current price range, which we are in right now. I am making the most of these things by actually using bots. So if you watch any of my videos recently, I am using a lot of futures grid bots on a very, very small leverage. And if you were interested, there's actually a limited time only of $1,000 bonus to use these bots. And you can go to my website, copymybots.io, and find all the information about what you have to do. Sign up, claim your deposit, activate your bots. It explains exactly how they work as well. There will be a link down below, first line of the description. You can see some of the recent performances as well of these bots. And all the bots I have here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Also, I've got oil, I've got gold, I've got silver, I've got many different bots as well, and they are all currently in range as well. So now is the best time to go ahead and take action on this right here. All the questions, if you had any questions about bots, they are down there. So I really recommend heading over to this website. I've said before, my long-term strategy is to use bots this bear market into the bull market. It's going to accumulate good positions and trade for me once I sleep, and I don't really have to worry about anything, to be honest. It's the best way. And if I see small different positions or a big long position, I can enter that manually on the exchange as well. So the link is down below if you do want to go ahead and take a look at copymybots.io. So recently, literally just an hour ago, it was released that Trump says he might go to Pakistan if the Iran deal were in fact signed there. This could be very, very interesting. We could see a little bit of an improvement in the market conditions if Trump is in fact flying to Pakistan. I believe recently Vance did in fact go there to Pakistan, and unfortunately there was not a deal negotiated. Maybe a little bit of a waste of time, but who knows? Trump going there, it could be a different story. So just keep an eye out for this on the markets. It could be something very, very interesting. If we do take a look at some other charts as well, for example, this is a big chart I've been talking about over the past few days now. We can take a look at this with the 200, 250 weekly moving averages right here on the chart. So let's bring this up. Let's take a look at it. And we can see that each time we are, in fact, this orange line here is the halving. Each time we do, in fact, have a halving, we do go down and see one of these moving averages. We go down there, we meet them, we have a cup of tea with them, we say, what's up? Now we've met them, we can continue higher. That's pretty much how it works in basic terms. So we can see right here, we did in fact come down to the 350 week moving average, which was around $15,600. Currently, as of right now, it's around $46,000. As I've said before, in my opinion, this is my prediction for the absolute bottom around $46,000. I think that's worst case scenario. We could see $46,000. Previously, we didn't, in fact, even go down and meet these levels. I mean, we don't have so much data because they are very, very long moving averages on the weekly time frame. However, we have the 200 there, which we reached. And then last cycle right here in 18, when we had the halving, we came down to the yellow one, which is a 300-week moving average. So in my opinion, that's why I put this box here. I think that worst case scenario, we could be seeing around 50K or 46K being the absolute bottom. So do with that information what you will, but I do also believe we are in this move as well. If we take a look at this on the logarithmic and we go ahead and remove this right here, we take a bit of a zoom out on the weekly time frame. Let's go back to logarithmic. We take a little bit of a zoom out on the weekly time frame. We can see that this chart is also very, very appealing. However, you may be thinking, Jack, this chart contradicts your previous chart. Yes, it does. You would be correct in saying that. And that's why it's very good to always see all options and all angles of what could happen. So this chart right here is showing that 60K, if that was invalidated and broken down below, it could show massive warning signs that we could see a colossal fall right here in the Bitcoin price. It would be, in my opinion, it would be catastrophic if we would to break below this kind of 60K level right here. We may do it, and we do have the support of the 300 and the 350 weekly moving average at 50K and 46K. However, it would be very, very bearish, and things would get significantly worse, guys, significantly worse. It's not all doom and gloom though, guys. We can take a look at something like this, the good old-fashioned Bitcoin rainbow chart. And historically, every time you have bought when Bitcoin is dead or basically a fire sale, historically, it's been an absolutely beautiful time to buy. So you can see right here, when Bitcoin was down all the way down here at 18,000 or 15,000, it was a great time to buy. Again, when Bitcoin was down here at 2,000, it was a great time to buy. Again, when Bitcoin was down here at $200, and once again, is a great time to buy. Now Bitcoin is below 70K. It may not feel like it because 70,000 is a very high price for Bitcoin. However, when you understand Bitcoin, the fundamentals, it definitely is, in my opinion, a good time to be buying. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have, in fact, enjoyed it. Don't forget to drop your comments down below saying literally anything to enter for that $100 giveaway every single Monday. And of course, drop a like on the video if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to check out copymybots.io, a website I've set up so you can clearly understand how GridBots can help you this bull market. I really do think it is a good strategy to at least have a little bit of in your arsenal. So thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.